poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel, JadaChante. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve my large knotless braids on myself. So we'll be doing that from start to finish. I'll show y'all what I'm going to use to wash my hair, what products I'm going to use on my hair, and the type of hair that I use for all my knotless braids. So with that being said, make sure y'all run the likes up, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell when you like to be notified when I drop some new content. The more y'all do that, the more it's gonna help me out in the end, so thanks in advance. Now let's get right into the video.
Low, fat, baby, tap in. Tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, better tap in. Tap in. Getting money, get rich, baby, tap in.
Alright y'all, so we are going to start off by taking out these knotless braids that I did on myself last month. Yeah, we're going to take them out. I'm going to wash and blow dry my hair, and then we're going to get into the parting. I will be right back. Alright y'all, so I have finished taking out all the Marley twists, and I've already combed my hair out as well. So the next thing we are going to do is wash my hair, blow dry my hair, and then we're going to be parting my hair and then putting the braids in my hair. So after I finish washing my hair, I will come back to you all to show you what else I put in my hair before I blow dry it. So stay tuned and I'll see you later. Alright y'all, so I have washed and blow dried my hair. After I did it, I did not feel like starting my hair, so I just put it in a ponytail. But I did say I was going to show you all what I used on my hair after I washed it and before I blow dried it. So after I washed my hair, when it's super wet, I put this spray in and I just spray it all over my hair, and then I section my hair out and twist it, and then I start the blow drying process. And while my hair is a little damp, I go ahead and spray this all around my hair, and then I blow dry it the rest of the way. So that's what I use to wash my hair. For my braids, I use X-pressions braiding hair. I got Burgundy, and it's 52 inches, and I got 3 packs of these just in case I run out. And then I'll be using my Sheen Jam to part my hair. And I'll be using, of course, a comb. I really love these combs, but yeah, the precision combs I'll be using. And of course, my clips I'll be using for my hair. And after I picked up this edge control, and it is called She Is Bomb. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but yeah, She Is Bomb. Of course, I got a small one because I wanted to test it out, but I will be going back to get the big bottle because I like this new edge control. But yeah, that's all that I've been using. That's all that I'm going to use on my hair for this style. I've already put the water in my water heater, and I've already pulled the hair out that I'm going to need. After I start parting a little bit of my hair, I'm going to record myself parting my hair without any assistance. So yeah, I will see you all in a few minutes. Alright, so I started by parting my hair down the middle the best that I could, and then I'm going to go in with my first row and make 3 even sections. So I have parted the left side of my hair already. Now we're going to part the right side of my hair. And then as I'm parting, I connect the lines from the other parts on the left side, and I connect them to the right side, so it's kind of easier to make them even and level them out. And once I'm done parting each section, I'm going to grab my rubber bands and just put those sections in the rubber band. That way all the hair is out the way. So now I am at the front of my hair on the right side. I'm going to start parting that. And the way I'm going to do that is line up the parts that I did in the back of my hair to the front, just to make sure that they're all even and leveled. Then I will go ahead and apply my Shine and Jam directly on the part, and then use my precision comb to make that part extra sharp. And then after that, you can grab your rubber band or whatever, your clip, and just like, secure the hair out the way so you can continue parting the rest of your hair in the front. Okay, so that took a while for me to do, but after I finish sectioning my entire head, I will then start with the first section and apply the Shine and Jam, and then I will go back in with my comb, the back of the comb, and just like put some pressure to lay the hair down. And then after that, I would start by braiding my hair at least 2 times. And then once that, I will stop and add the hair in between my index finger and thumb. And then, of course, I will add some more hair. And then you just keep adding until you get to the desired size that you want. And yeah, just keep going from there. Okay, now here is where you should watch very, very closely. Once I'm done braiding to my desired length, I will go ahead and tie the end so that the braids don't start unraveling. And yeah, I apply like jam on the small piece just to make it like easier and make sure there's no hair outside of that. And then I'll just go put like a loop around the braid and then pull it tight. Okay, so this is how I add the hair this way. Basically, I take the strand of hair and I line it up with the first strand and with the last strand, as you see, and then we just start braiding again. So you're going to see me keep putting the hair in my mouth, and that's just making it easier for me to continue braiding down with it being a little bit closer up to me. I really hope that makes sense. Alright, so I'm going to apply the She Is Bomb Edge Control to my edges, and then I will use the comb to smooth it out, and yeah. Alright y'all, so I forgot to take this sound out of this certain clip, and because I was already way into the editing, I just left it there, and yeah. Alright y'all, so I have finished my hair. Yeah. I would call these jumbo braids, but with like small parts in my hair. yeah. So now I'm going to put some oil in my hair, and then I'm going to cut my ends so they're not all crazy. And then I'm going to put some foam on it, and then I'm going to get my hair tied down and go to bed. So you can watch me as I do that. So all I'm going to use is Dro Stimulating Hair Oil, and I'm just going to put it here. I do not have my hair scissors with me, so I'm using regular scissors to cut my ends. So I'm just going to line up, I guess, how long I want them. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. All right, so once you get the length that you want, you can go ahead and dip your hair. I've gotten them to the length that I want them to be. So now we're gonna put some foam in my hair, and then we're gonna dip my hair, and yeah. And the foam I'm going to use is this. I normally blow dry my hair after I do this, but due to the time and I'm on school campus and not at home, I don't want to disturb anybody else who's sleeping right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it dry. That should be drying before I dip. I like to split it. Yeah. And I apply some at the end. The mousse. Time to dip my hair. I would advise you to use like a bigger towel because sometimes the water can be very hot, but I don't want to use those towels right now. So I'm going to use a small little, yeah. Now we're going to do the other side. I'll probably dip it again. I'm going to dip it again all together to make sure all the ends are super straight. And that is all that I do with my hair braids. Oh, one more thing. After I finish dipping, putting the mousse on, I go back with this spray, just shining spray, and just go all over your hair. Alright, and that is how I achieve my jumbo knotless braids with small parts. If you watch this video all the way through, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you run the likes up, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell when you like to be notified when I drop some new content. If you want to see more videos of me doing my hair or tutorials, comment that down below as well, and I'll do that for you all. But yeah, with that being said, I'll just see you all in the next video.
Bye.
I'm out.